They may love you, but if they can't choose you, you must let them go and walk away, because you are way too valuable to linger and wait, and you deserve to be chosen unconditionally. Soon you will understand that people who are at war with themselves can't give you peace. People who lie to themselves can't give you honesty. People who betray themselves can't give you loyalty. People who don't love themselves can't really love you at all. They can't really give you what they can't give themselves. And that's where it all starts. One of the hardest lessons in life is letting go. Whether it's guilt, anger, love, loss, or betrayal, change is never easy. We fight to hold on, and we fight to let go. Sometimes letting things go is an act of far greater power than hanging on. One must find the courage to release the familiar and embrace the unknown.